topic is taken from Carbohydrate Chemistry. Isomers are those compounds which are having same chemical formula but they differ in their structures. Example of isomers are glucose, galactose, fructose and mannose. They all are isomers of each other. They all are hexoses. They have same chemical formula, that is C6H12O6. Now what are epimers? Epimers are also isomer, but the difference between the two is that epimers, they differ around one specific carbon atom. Remember that carbon atom should not be first carbon, means it should not be carbonyl carbon. Example for epimers, glucose and galactose, they differ around carbon 4, so they are C4 epimers. Glucose and mannose, they differ around carbon 2, so they are C2 epimers.